Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question 1. I finished my homework before dinner. Correct answer. A. Had. Question 2. She sings than anyone else. Correct answer. C. Sweeter. The baby is afraid. Dark. Correct answer. C. Of. Question 4. The students were punished being late. Correct answer. A. 4. Question 5. The cake. Delicious. Correct answer. A. Smells. Question 6. He was accused stealing money. Correct answer. C. Of. Question 7. She asked me where I from. Correct answer. B. Came. Question 8. He runs fast to catch. Correct answer. C. 2. Question 9. The book was written Shakespeare. Correct answer. A. By. Question 10. This road is then the other one. Correct answer. Narrower. Question 11. We arrived the airport on time. Correct answer. B. At. Question 12. I met a boy. Mother is a doctor. Correct answer. C. Whose. Question 13. The doctor told me more water. Correct answer. C. To drink. Question 14. She is taller. Her sister. Correct answer. B. Then. Question 15. He jumped the wall easily. Correct answer. A. Over.